Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will have another case of tNavigator. It's a reservoir simulation software and I think it's very useful and quite powerful. So hopefully our learning today will be beneficial for all of us. And today's topic is about updating schedule to your current or existing reservoir simulation. All right, so I'm going to use a sample case from tNavigator, and this is our model. So as you can see, we start from 2009, okay? And if you go to the end, the last time step, we will end up in September 2014, and we have one, two, three, four, five wells. Okay, let's say this is our existing reservoir simulation, and we want to add more historical production data or historical injection data. And we will also add one more well completed with its production or injection data, historical production and injection data. Okay, so yeah, maybe you are currently handling reservoir simulation, and depending on the size of the simulation of the case, depending of how many wells you are handling on your model, maybe you you will update the production history or injection history once a year or once in 6 months or in each month if you are very diligent. And yeah, it will ultimately depend on the size of your case. Okay, so let's say here we have a relatively small case and we want to add 4 months, new data 4 months, okay, from 4 months after the last time step. Okay, so that will be our game plan, and we also add one more well. All right, so this is the 3D model and this is the 2D map. We are currently looking at the pressure, and of course we go to here, and this is the model update data. This is the master data. Actually, there is nothing special here. It's a very basic case. What's different in this case is we just want to update the schedule. Okay, and if we go to the other files, actually they are basic. The grid file, the same, the props, regions, but maybe we need to check this one, the include file. Okay, so if we go to the bottom, you see here, the last time step is 1 September 2014. Okay, and you can see we input wcon inch. So this is the history and wcon hist. All right, and we will add more. Okay, so basically we have several things to do. Okay, the first thing, of course, just a review of the existing model in 2D as well as in 3D. And then let's say we want to, you know, we want to download or we want to import a trajectory. Let's say I'm just going to show you how we upload, okay, into the software, the trajectory. But the game will be like this. First, we already have 5 wells here. We want to use the existing trajectory. We want to export the trajectory, and later we will, we will download again the trajectory. Okay? I mean, we want to upload again the trajectory that we already exported. Okay? So first we are going to export the trajectory, and we can do that here. Use well filter. well actions. Okay, we see well creation settings, but we actually want to use this one. Export trajectory. Here we have 5 wells, well 10, 2, 3, 6, and 8. Okay, where do you want to save the file? Here, and the name is model up underscore welltracks.txt. So this is the file that we will produce. The file will contain the trajectory information. Okay, and the directory will be here. Okay, so this is we have folder for files, include, results, summary, user, and the master data. And we will store the trajectory file here in the outside. Let's just click on OK. And you see we already produced this model. And if you open this one, so we have trajectory for well 10, well 2, well 3, well 6, as well as well 8. Okay. All right. And now we will load this data again back to the software. Okay, so let's go